Let me ask you this. What if I told you the secret to your next viral video is right at your fingertips? In this video, I am sharing 5 powerful ways ChatGPT can help you create viral content, save time, and boost your channel's growth. I'm sure you want that. Stick with me because the third tip could be the one that skyrockets your channel. Tip number one, find viral content ideas fast. Yes. First up, let's talk about finding viral content ideas. We've all been there staring at a blank screen trying to come up with your next video idea. But with ChatGPT, brainstorming is as easy as typing a few words. Okay, so I'm going to show you my screen now on ChatGPT. If you do not already know how to do this, go on your Google Chrome and type in ChatGPT. Now, I went on to give a prompt saying, give me 5 trending YouTube video ideas in the beauty industry that are currently viral. Now, this would take less than a second, trust me. As long as you have internet, you are good to go. So you do not have to go around, searching for ideas. ChatGPT just does the work. Now let's watch this. So you see, ChatGPT instantly delivers ideas around what we asked for. So these are ready to go ideas that are already trending. So you can jump right into creating content that people are searching for. Now look at these beautiful ideas. Strawberry makeup, sunset blush, mop wife aesthetics. Um, give about 5 ideas, and then the jelly nails. So these are very beautiful ideas, creative ideas, and they are very simple as well. If this is your niche, then go ahead to create something like this. So you already have your ideas. You do not need to start brainstorming to think of what kind of videos to make. Okay, so we are going to the next step, which is writing your script. You would give a prompt to ChatGPT, write a YouTube video script for testing viral TikTok beauty hacks. Now, I use the beauty industry just for the purpose of this video. You can always tweak it as you like. If you are in the tech industry, you are in the fashion industry, whatever industry you are in, ChatGPT will come through for you. Now, if you notice what I'm doing, I added an extra prompt to this message. I said I need a strong hook for the first 15 seconds. Remember, we are trying to get our videos seen. So if the first 15 seconds is not strong enough, they would click out of your video. So ChatGPT has given us the script we need, and it is fantastic. Please, you do not have to copy word for word. You can switch it, you can change wherever or whatever you want in this script. Do as you like. It just gives you a basis or an idea of what to make. Okay, so this is pretty easy, trust me. You do not have to do the heavy lifting. That is why we have ChatGPT. That's why it is there in the first place. So make use of it, and it is free as well. So like I mentioned earlier, you do not need to use it word for word, okay? But this makes the whole process so much faster, giving you more time to focus on shooting and editing. Now here's the game changer, your title and thumbnail. This is where most people decide whether to click on your video or to keep scrolling. But don't worry, ChatGPT has got your back. Yes. So I went ahead to give ChatGPT the prompt. Give me 5 click-worthy YouTube titles for testing viral TikTok beauty hacks. So here are the 5 click-worthy YouTube titles that ChatGPT has given us. Remember, the goal is to get people to watch, which is why when you are given a prompt, give a direct prompt to ChatGPT. You say the word click-worthy YouTube title. Okay. So now the give us five different titles. Um, I tried 5 viral TikTok beauty hacks, and here's what really works. When you see this kind of title, if it is something you are interested in, of course you click and watch. Or the second one, TikTok beauty hacks, miracle or a mess. So these are very helpful suggestions you definitely would love. Okay, now the fourth tip is using shorts to boost your reach. Yes, so let's talk about YouTube shorts. With shorts exploding in popularities, it's a great way to boost your channel's visibility. And yes, ChatGPT can help you create those too. Okay, you saw I gave the prompt, give me 5 YouTube short ideas based on viral TikTok beauty hacks. Yes, so here are some few ideas it suggested. These bite-sized videos are perfect for reaching new audience. Remember, I said that this would help you grow your channel. So you'd see the ideas. It says lip gloss as eyeshadow. Anybody who is interested in this would want to know what this is about. They would click to watch, and this would in fact help people come to your channel, and they'll be curious that, oh, what other things or what other content do you have? Okay, so these short ideas are fast-paced and visually engaging, and they are perfect shots to grab the attention of viewers. Now we went ahead to create our description and keywords. Yes, this is very, very important. So it seems like a very little detail, but trust me, it is very important. They are crucial for helping your views or your videos rank high in search, and ChatGPT can help you here too. Okay, so I gave ChatGPT the prompt: write a YouTube video description for testing viral TikTok beauty hacks with relevant keywords, and it created a detailed description packed with keywords like TikTok beauty hacks, viral trends, DIY, so many things that would make people find your video when they search for these words. Okay, and that's it. 5 powerful ways ChatGPT can take your YouTube content from good to viral. Whether you're stuck on ideas, struggling to script, or just want to boost your CTR, these tips will help you level up. Yes, if you found this very helpful, please do not forget to like the video, drop a comment, subscribe, and you do not want to miss my more tips on how to grow your channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.